Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the phone and remove the SIM/SD tray because live circuitry complicates repair. Heat the screen edges to about 60-70 degrees to soften adhesive. This prevents cracking when you pry. Use a suction cup and a plastic pick to lift a corner and insert a pick slowly. You control the gap and avoid bending the panel. Once a separation appears, run picks around the perimeter incrementally, making sure adhesive is softened and screws are accessible before you proceed to internal components. Once open, immediately remove screws and label them. Organization prevents reassembly errors. Disconnect the battery first so you avoid shorts, then carefully unplug display and digitizer connectors. Use a plastic spudger and lift straight up to prevent bent pins. Compare the replacement screen against the original. Transfer small parts like brackets, front camera, and earpiece speaker before seating the new panel. Make sure flex cables align and snap into place. If connectors feel tight, realign before forcing to avoid tearing delicate ribbon cables. After installing the new screen, reconnect the battery temporarily and power the phone on to test display, touch, cameras, and sensors. This validates work before final sealing. Once confirmed, power off, remove the temporary connection, apply fresh adhesive strips or liquid adhesive per manufacturer spec, then press edges uniformly and clamp or wait for full cure. If touch or display issues appear, open back up, reseat connectors, inspect for debris or bent pins, and retest. Correcting connector seating solves most post-repair failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.